Welcome back to the Auto Snuff channel. Today we delve into the essence of automotive excellence with the new 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser Prado. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications so you never miss an update. The 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser Prado continues its legacy as a reliable and rugged SUV designed for both off-road adventures and everyday driving. Toyota has redefined the Prado with modern features, enhanced technology, and improved performance while maintaining its strong reputation for durability. The new model blends classic Land Cruiser toughness with a more refined, comfortable, and high-tech interior, making it a compelling choice for SUV enthusiasts. Toyota is already planning further enhancements for the 2025 Land Cruiser Prado, with expected upgrades in hybrid technology, safety features, and interior refinement. The upcoming model may introduce a plug-in hybrid PHEV variant to enhance fuel efficiency and reduce emissions. Additionally, Toyota aims to equip the 2025 model with advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, and an upgraded infotainment system with improved connectivity features. However, the 2025 Land Cruiser Prado still stands as a formidable and modernized off-roader, with cutting-edge technology and superior performance. Toyota has significantly improved the 2025 Land Cruiser Prado's cabin, making it more luxurious and technologically advanced. The SUV now features high-quality materials, a redesigned dashboard, and a more ergonomic layout. Notable highlights include a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, a 14-inch touchscreen infotainment system, with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto premium leather seats, with ventilated and heated functions, multi-zone climate control for added comfort, expanded cargo space with a flexible seating configuration. Passengers will enjoy a smoother and quieter ride, thanks to improved insulation and enhanced suspension tuning. Whether on long road trips or rough terrains, the 2025 Prado provides a more comfortable and connected experience. The 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser Prado offers multiple powertrain options depending on the region, ensuring a balance of power, efficiency, and capability. 2.8-liter turbo diesel R4 available in select markets, producing 201 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque. 2.4-liter turbocharged hybrid, iForce Max, generating 326 horsepower and 465 pound-feet of torque. 3.5-liter V6 gasoline engine available in certain regions. Toyota pairs these engines with either a 6-speed automatic or an 8-speed automatic transmission, delivering a seamless driving experience. The Prado continues to offer full-time 4-wheel drive with locking differentials and terrain response modes, making it a formidable off-road performer. The 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser Prado is expected to be available in global markets by mid to late 2025. Pricing will vary depending on the trim levels and optional packages, but estimates suggest base model, around $55,000, mid-range. Trim, approximately $65,000, top spec. Trim, up to $80,000 with premium options. Final pricing will depend on regional taxes, dealer markups, and additional features. The 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser Prado remains a top-tier SUV with a reputation for reliability, off-road capability, and modern luxury. Whether you're seeking adventure or a comfortable daily driver, the new Prado offers a perfect blend of power, technology, and durability. With the potential for even greater innovations in the 2025 model, Toyota continues to solidify its position as a leader in the SUV segment. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Until next time, drive safe and stay adventurous.